She got a fish.
She got a fish.
Oh, there he is. He's walking toward you. Yeah, he's coming.
My name is Joseph Carter, and I am the Mink Man.
When I was a senior in high school, I started learning about the American mink. I was told that mink were horrible, vicious little animals who were impossible to tame. Challenge accepted. I've been in love with mink ever since. I get mink from fur farms and give them a new life. In this new life, my mink live as naturally as possible, even hunting for their dinner the way a wild mink would. So come join me on my adventures as we learn more about this intense little predator, the amazing American mink. So this is a good old spot that we've hit several years in a row now. Typically has a lot of muskrats, and it's in the years past has been a really complex den system. Sometimes they're pretty tricky to get them out of, just because there must be so many different corridors the muskrats can hide in. They don't just automatically shoot out and go into the water. So we're gonna try it with our new little double mink method. We've got little Miss Piranha and big Mr. Bear. These are also Mamba's siblings, if you guys didn't know that already. So hopefully we got a bunch of muskrats here like there are in years past. Hopefully we'll be able to catch them this time. A lot of times there's, 7, 8, 9 muskrats here and we only catch 2 or 3. It's just a tricky spot. So we'll see what we can do today.
She got a fish.
She got a fish. We're not fishing. I don't know, that sounded like a muskrat.
Yeah, it did.
Maybe it was just the way she came up with the fish ball. Good girl. Go catch a muskrat though. Go back down there. Good girl. Good girl. Catching fish. Go in there with Piranha. Go check it out. She got another fish. I should leave the box open. Maybe she'll take it in there. Good girl, Piranha. We're not fishing, but that's cool that you're catching stuff. She's gonna go get another fish. I don't know if it was an off day or if Bear was just showing his inexperience, but man, he sure didn't help at all this hunt. Here you can see him playing in the water, messing around with the traps, while his sister Piranha's up in the hole chasing muskrats. What a big goofy mink. Ah, crap! Get it, Bear! Get it, Bear! Look, it's right behind you, Blindy. I got it. Yep. I think there's another one. Go help her, Bear. Did he go in the trap? Where'd he go? Totally disappeared. Where'd he go? The heck?
He's
underwater.
underwater.
Good job, Piranha. He's underwater?
Yeah. Yep.
Or is that a fish? Where in the world did he go?
Did he go in the trap?
No.
I swear he went underwater. There's nowhere else he could have gone.
Holy crap. He just like melted into thin air. Piranha's up there looking. How in the world? I think it's just a fish. It's not even swirling like it means. How in the world?
Wasn't there another muskrat?
There was. There's a third one somewhere.
Did he go upstream? Oh, there he is.
He was hiding right under the water. He got a fish. Bear's like, I got a fish.
He's
job,
taking
Bear.
it up.
So where is he?
Is there like a little
Oh
hole?
crap, he's biting my waders. There's like a little dip in here. That bear cast it up there and came back. So there's a fish right there. How in the world?
Okay, I gotta get rid of this muskrat. Get this guy in there. No, you're gonna get caught by the mink. Keep an eye on. Oh, there he is. He's right there. Did he just dig under? I think he's trying to dig under. I just saw his head pop up.
Oh, he went back into the
hole.
the den.
Piranha, come back here.
Oh, he grabbed it through the.
So he got back in the hole, you think? Or
Yeah, I saw him go back in.
Where is he hiding? Oh, I see. There's a trail right here. Oh, there is a hole.
There's an
There's a
underground.
hole right here.
Oh,
Let's
wow.
clear it. And so he was going up under here. Okay, we gotta get rid of these muskrats. I'm just gonna. Crap, Piranha's gone. Okay, let's get Bear. Oh, here. Did you see that? He just came out and went back. Did you see that? He came out right here. Oh, bit by a mink. Here, find that hole, Bear, and go under. Bear's stuck it on the fish.
Did you catch another one?
Oh, there's one. There we go, we got him.
Is that this? I don't know. I don't think that's the same one, is it?
I don't know. I think there's multiples.
I think there's another one.
I think there's another one too. Go in there. Oh, Bear's gonna go. He's like, I'll go in there too. Okay. Now we gotta.
Once I finally caught that third sneaky muskrat, I decided I better put Bear away and go look for his sister. Piranha had moved upstream and we didn't know where she was.
I'll go run catch the sister.
I left my cameraman David to keep an eye on the muskrat hole, as I was pretty sure there'd be a muskrat or two trying to sneak away when I left.
There's a muskrat coming towards you, Joe. Hey, Joe, there's one coming. He's walking. He's walking toward you. Yeah, he's coming.
Oh, I see him. He's down here too.
Okay.
She's probably gonna find that muskrat.
Is she under the bridge?
Yeah, she's right in between me and you. And the muskrat's in between me and you too. I'll run and grab a spotlight.
Okay. Oh. She found it. She's fighting it.
She's got it?
Over here to the left side. Yeah, down a little bit. Right where you shined it, but it's behind the branches. Like, come around to this side.
Is she killing it?
Yeah. Put the light on it. Yeah, come over here. It's right. She's wrapping it up. She's right here.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Piranha. Oh, don't pull it in there. Come on with it. Come on, Piranha. Crap, I left the box.
Here, do you want this net?
Okay, lift it. Okay, I got it. Good girl, Piranha. You caught the escapee. Keep filming, dude.
Thanks.
It's too bad you didn't have the spotlight, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, that was cool. That's so cool. I wish you had the camera or the Oh, you could have switched to night vision.
Oh crap.
I didn't even think of that till just now. The mink were catching a bunch of fish. Good old Piranha, she got this muskrat. Bear should have caught a couple muskrats. He was kind of clueless. These young mink, man, they're pretty silly sometimes. I kind of wondering if he doesn't have the best vision. His father actually has pretty poor vision at Brock, but he's really good with everything else. So I wonder if he's got his dad's short-sightedness. I don't think it was just vision though. He's close enough. He could have caught a couple muskrats. He's just kind of clueless. But regardless of how clueless they are, did a great job. Total of 4 muskrats. Pretty good day. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and stay tuned for more. Now, if you're really wanting to dive into mink and learn the nitty-gritty details, I would strongly recommend you read my book, The New Sport of Minkenry. It has 242 pages of valuable information for anyone who's considering getting a mink themselves or really just want to learn about this incredible little animal.